Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to reduce noise in Photoshop. First, open the image you want to work on in Photoshop. Next, duplicate the background layer by pressing Ctrl+J on your keyboard. This ensures that you are working on a copy of the original image and allows you to make non-destructive edits. With the duplicated layer selected, go to Filter, then Noise, and select Reduce Noise. This will open up the Reduce Noise dialog box. In the Reduce Noise dialog box, you'll see several sliders: Strength, Preserve Details, Reduce Color Noise, and Sharpen Details. Start by adjusting the Strength slider to 10. Next, you can adjust the Preserve Details slider to 0%. If your image has color noise, you can use the Reduce Color Noise slider to minimize it. Adjust this slider to 90%. Finally, you can use the Sharpen Details slider to enhance the sharpness of details in the image after noise reduction. Set this to 0%. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, click OK to apply the noise reduction effect. If you want to further refine the noise reduction, you can apply it selectively using layer masks or adjustment layers. And that's it. You've successfully reduced noise in Photoshop to improve the quality of your image. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.